I like to make walks in the morning time, yeah, with my legs. And I was walking this morning, yeah, around here, and I see two guys. They are, I think they are hobos, men of the streets, and they are making an argue, fight, not with fisties, with mouthies, yeah, just very rude and things. And then one man say, "Man, suck my dick." What? You? Why you say that? What? This is making no. Why are you say this? This is a silly. This is a silly and danger. So you are saying to the man, listen, we are not friends. We have make establish of this from all of these argumentatings prior. But please now take my most valuable sensitivity possession in my body. It have no protection, it have no helmet or something. No, it's just flopsy and sensitivity. Please take it, because we are not friends. What? And place it inside now a hole of you that is owning many objects for crunching and destruction. Please, I trust you for zero reasons. Also, we are fighting, but no, I would like this. You to take my pee-pee, please, and treat it like a lollipop, as I have requested here. Treat it like a lollipop. Of course you shall do this. You shall definitely not treat it like a hamburger, like a hamburger. No, of course. What? Of course. Of course this man shall make your pee-pee into a luncheon. I shall not be nice and make it a lollipop. He do not like you. He's not your friend. Do not give this man your pee-pee. It's a hamburger. It's a Whopper for this person. Or a Big Mac. Or what is, I don't know, what is the equivalent for your pee-pee? A White Castle burger. But do not do it. Stop it. I do not give my pee-pee like this to a friend and make this requesting. Of course not for enemy, man. You're only owning one pee-pee. You're not like a man, I'm now make a guess, from the National Geography show where man has 500 pee-pees just surround his torso. He may give one of the pee-pees to a man and say, suck my because now I still have 499 pee-pee. What? No, you cannot do this. You're only owning one pee-pee. Protection it, please. Don't say this. Say another insulting like, hey man, you smell bad and your face look like a goose. Try this one. Let me know how it is going. How it goes.